Hello friends, welcome to Good Food Recipes featured by dhameke.blogspot.com. Today we are going to see my husband's favorite dish, that is chicken curry in Indian style. The ingredients for this dish are chicken, either breast or thighs 4 pieces, chopped onions 1/4 cup, tomato 1 big size, chopped cilantro 2 tablespoons, cumin seeds few, cumin powder 1 tablespoon, coriander powder 1 tablespoon, garam masala 1/4 tablespoon, dry coconut powder 2 tablespoons, turmeric pinch of it, salt to taste, chili powder 1/2 tablespoon. Now we'll see the procedure. In the procedure, first take the chicken and cut into medium sized cubes by removing the extra fat. And now wash it and keep it aside. And now you take a pan, heat it and add 2 tablespoons of oil. And now add cumin seeds. When the cumin seeds start spluttering, add onions and little bit of salt, which aids the onions to cook faster. And now when the onions are half cooked, add ginger garlic paste and turmeric powder and stir it. Now cook this until the raw flavor of garlic goes away in the medium flame. Now add chicken and cook it until 80% done by stirring it in constant intervals. This should be cooked under the medium flame. And now add chopped tomatoes and coconut powder and cook it until the tomatoes are completely cooked. And now add red chili powder, cumin powder, coriander powder, salt and mix it nicely. Now cook this for about 5 minutes in a simmer. If you wish to have little bit of gravy in this curry, add little bit of water at this point and cook it. Now the curry is almost done. Now finish it by adding garam masala and again you cook this for about 2 minutes in a simmer. Now the curry is done. Now garnish it with cilantro. Curry is ready to serve. And this goes well with bhagara or plain rice or chapati. If you like my curry, please follow my blog and rate it. Thanks for watching. Keep visiting dhameke.blogspot.com. Watch, cook and enjoy.